What about microwaves? What about over the range used microwaves? Are you fixing them, flipping them?
I do actually, but there's no profit in them. I mean, it's always a switch. That's the worst part. I mean, I only do it so if it comes with a set. The same reason why I do the few dishwashers I do is, if I got a really nice stainless stove and stainless fridge that matches, I'll make it a combo set, like I'm one of Lowe's wannabe. And then it's more appealing for the sale. It doesn't really add any value. Like I'll just throw them in there and then
Just to make the sale, make it.
yeah.
Yeah.
I would really hold off on microwaves until you understand how the magnetron and the capacitors work. There's some serious power inside of there.
Oh yeah.
I would not dabble in that unless you know what you're doing.
I don't really.
But man, cleaning those things,
Yeah.
like a 5-year-old microwave that you get with a kitchen set or something, and
Gross.
yeah, it's just I don't know. It's just not worth the time.
It's like
What's the best way? The best way to clean them is, do you guys stick a cup of water in there, run it 3 minutes, get it really hot and steamy, and just wipe it down really good? Or what do you guys do?
You know how dangerous that is? You know what
They say-
superheated water is?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
It happens real easy.
Yeah. Spill it on yourself, you're gonna be crying.
Oh, you never heard of the tea bag trick?
I
I need to make a video on it.
Let's hear this.
You heat the water up in a cup for like 2.5, 3 minutes. If you got, 1100, 1200 watt microwave, and it's not a trick. I mean, it's something you don't really want to do. And, it was a thing I read and that's why I want to try it,
Oh, you haven't tried it yet then? Ooh.
No, but so, so the lady put her cup in there for 2 or 3 minutes, like she does every day to make her tea, and took it out and put her tea bag, like went to dip her tea bag in it, and it like exploded and it burned her face off and all kinds of stuff.
Wow.
Yeah. So
dangerous.
Don't boil water in a microwave. It can be bad.
I do it sometimes to clean the microwave because I've learned that trick years ago.
I didn't.
So I'll kind of boil water in there and then remove the cup carefully and wipe it down. And it'll kind of get rid of stenches too. It does, because it just kind of steams everything.
Yeah.
So there's a danger to it. There is a danger to it. And knock on wood, nothing bad has happened yet.